In this episode, we head to eastern Tennessee to attend the Smoky Mountain Overland Rally.
We had an absolutely fantastic time.
This is Wanderlust Overland.
Where the heck are we?
This can't be right.
During the long drive to get there, we were joined by a few of our friends from the Midwest Overland Facebook group.
And to break up the monotony of highway travel, we made a couple of stops just south of Indianapolis.
Ms. Barnett died in 1831. According to local lore, her last request was to be buried on this grassy hill near Sugar Creek. In the early 1900s, Johnson County officials decided to build County Road 400 right through Barnett's gravesite. When workers arrived to move Barnett's remains in 1905, local historians say they were greeted by her grandson, Daniel G. Doty, standing vigil with a shotgun in hand. Next, we're stopping at Seymour, Indiana to see the graves of the county's first train robbers. It was committed by the local Reno gang on October 6, 1866, just east of town. The gang was put into prison for the robbery and later lynched at Hangman's Crossing, 2.5 miles west of town. Seymour's other claim to fame is that it's the hometown of John Cougar Mellencamp.
We got to the site of the rally around 7-ish, just in time to pitch tent and cook a little supper before the rain moved in.
There is no better sound at night than rain hitting a tent. I slept like a baby. By morning, the rain had passed through, and we had perfect weather for the rest of our time there.
Friday was mostly for registering and setting up, so we, along with a few of our friends, decided to do some exploring on our own.
The rally was held at Dark Hollow Off-Road Park near Crosby, Tennessee. So the whole time we were there, we had free reign over all the trails and obstacles that they had.
And we got to try out our crawl control for the first time.
Yeah, that's going to take some getting used to, not having control over the brake and throttle.
And the noise.
And the noise it makes. But it's cool.
On Saturday, there were trail runs and classes. We chose to spend the majority of our day on the trails, with the highlight being Hurricane Creek Trail.
That's the easiest way to keep up with everybody. Keep an eye on the guy behind you every now and then. If you notice that he's gone, you stop. And the guy in front of you will stop.
On Sunday, we decided to go off on our own again, this time just the two of us and the dogs.
We found some easy Forest Service roads. Really nice day driving through the mountains.
At noon, the organizers put on a feast for us, followed by a raffle.
We won this. It's a fancy articulating off-road trailer hitch. So now we're gonna have to do a overland trailer build. And go. Oh, it's my turn.
We chose to spend the majority of our day on
Will that work?
I don't know, will it?